So, as soon as a word can comes, it itself reflects that ability. You are talking about your abilities or somebody else's abilities. When you say, I can swim, so I can swim or I am able to swim has the same meaning. मैं तैर सकता हूँ, I can swim or I am able to swim. The meaning is same. So whenever you are using can, that basically shows your capacities, your abilities, your strength. Right? This is the basic meaning of can. And when we talk about interrogative also, you are doing the same thing that you are talking about abilities, except one thing that when in interrogative you are not using can with I. For can I will talk later. For can I will talk later. Let's talk about can with other subjects in interrogative that also have the same meaning, that is capacities. For example, Rohit has a friend, and Rohit gets me meet any of his friend, and I ask him, can he speak English? Right? So I am also I am same thing. I am doing that. I am talking about the abilities of anybody. Can he lift this luggage? Can he speak English? Can he speak French? Can he repair this car? Can he swim? Can he come with us? Can he manage this problem? Can you handle this problem? Can you help me? When I say can you help me, I mean to say आप मदद करने के लायक हो कि नहीं, आप में मदद करने की काबिलियत है कि नहीं. जब आप कहते हो इंडिया इंडिया कैन डिफीट एनी टीम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, India can defeat any team of the world. So basically, you are talking about the strength of Indian team. You are talking about the abilities, capacities, strength of the team. Match is not going on. You are not giving a prediction. You are not giving a guess. You are talking about the strength of the team. ठीक है friends. So as we talk about can, remember one word, that is ability. Now, let's talk about can I. Now, what is can I? Can I is exception. Can I is exception because how can you ask yourself about your ability? So, what is the use of can I? Can I is used when you are giving an order. Can I is used when basically you are giving an order, but being respectful, it seems like you are asking for a permission. But basically it's an order. And can I is generally used with authorized people. The people who have right to ask you. The person who has not right to ask you cannot use can I. For example, you are in a train and TC comes. So he can ask you, he has right to ask you. He has right to ask you, can I see your tickets please? And you cannot say no. Remember, he is not asking for permission. He is not using may I. He is using can I see your tickets? ठीक है, भले ही वो कहे कि क्या मैं आपकी टिकट देख सकता हूँ, बहुत पोलाइटली भी कहे, लेकिन वो ऑर्डर ही दे रहा है. अगर आप कहें कि नो, सो ही विल कॉल समबडी एंड यू विल बी इन ट्रबल. राइट फ्रेंड्स? सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट कैन आई.